Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another stock talk video, and for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about the stock Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. And guys, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Also, click the links down below in my description to follow me on my TikTok account and join my Discord server. But yes, for today's video, we're going to be talking about the stock of Tesla. We haven't talked about it in a while, and they recently just got some price target downgrades. Along with that, we have to talk about whether or not it's a buy right now, where it's trading, and where it's going to be heading into the future. So as you can see, we've been trading as you can see throughout 2020, it was very strong year from Tesla. We've been over this, we've talked about this, we've hit highs around $900 in the middle of January before quickly pulling back all the way down to lows near $500. And basically since the beginning of March, after a huge sell-off, the stock really hasn't moved. It's trading between basically $750 and $550 and has been trading inside this sideways channel. And if we zoom in, we can see that we have a lower channel right here where it's been trading for a little while and an upper channel right here. It broke out of the upper and it broke out of the lower a couple times, but it really hasn't gained any momentum. And now we're currently in that middle area around $680, and this is really the interesting part. Are we going to break above that $700 and start moving to the upside, or are we going to keep on trading down lower and down to the downside below $600? But some news that may have not helped the company move closer to that $700 and above is this price target downgrade we just received. So UBS, an analyst consensus report, came out today adjusting Tesla's price target from $730 to $660. And they stated that Tesla may be losing ground to Chinese electric vehicle brands, according to the report, as demand momentum in the region slows for the US-based car maker and competitors with a busier launch pipeline are favored. Basically meaning there's a lot of other competition in the market right now. And a lot of these companies are coming out, especially in the Chinese market. UBS accordingly lowered its price target on Tesla to $660 from its previous $730 and maintained its neutral rating. But the funny part is the stock still has an average rating of hold and price targets ranging from $150 to $1,200, which is a huge range where the lower end analysts still believe that it can go all the way down to $150 and the higher end analysts believe it can hit $1,200. And I like this little reading right here that they stated Tesla leads, but the lead isn't growing. Basically means that we all know that Tesla is the leader and the strongest one of the pack, but they aren't actually gaining that momentum that a lot of these other smaller names are. A lot of these other electric vehicle names such as NIO, XPeng, Ford, GM, Volkswagen are starting to really grow rapidly, and that's why their stock is taking off as well. While Tesla's stock already ran up so much, and they state that Tesla's lead is likely to shrink from here, he said, the company's lead in the Chinese market is also at risk as local EV brands have climbed in rankings. So let's go over some of the analyst ratings within the last quarter. So looking forward to the next 12 months, here's a nice graph of what the price target is looking like for Tesla. You can see the dots up here for the most part are at least bullish or somewhat bullish, and it's ranging between $800 to $1,000. Then there's some other dots in here which are yellow, which are ranging from $600 to $700. And then you have one random dot down here around $150. But for the most part, a lot of analysts believe this should be ranged between $800, $900, maybe even closer to $1,000. So after all that information we went through, you gotta think to yourself whether or not you're short-term or long-term with Tesla. But over the next 5 to 10 years, as long as Tesla still continues with their business model and expands and grows, now whether or not it's a buy right now is kind of up to you and what your perspective is on it. If you're going for a short-term trade, I would be careful because of the fact that we're testing near the $700 area, which seems to be resistance in the past. But if we do break above $700 and we do continue to the upside, I could see this rally back up closer to the $775, even closer to $800. But that's if we hold above the $700 area. If we can't break above the $700 area in the short term, I can see this roll back over again, back down to this lower channel in the mid 600s. But again, we're looking for the long term here. This is an EV maker. The electric vehicle sector is expected to grow massively over the next 5 to 10 years. And because of that, I'm bullish on a lot of these names. I'm bullish on Tesla, I'm bullish on NIO, I'm bullish on XPeng, Ford, GM, all these names. And I say that the electric vehicle sector, really any stock within it that's expected to do decently well is a good stock to pick up. Now, yes, some of them have really surged over the past couple months, but I think right now, if you pick up shares around $650 at Tesla, I think that's a pretty good deal. And whether you're bullish or bearish on the company, it is the leader and it is going to continue being the leader for a very long time. But don't be afraid to pick up some other EV names. Like I said, I like NIO, I like XPeng, I like GM, and I like Ford. And maybe also Lucid Motors. But you definitely should diversify your portfolio, and that's kind of where I'm going to end this at because of the fact that I believe that yes, Tesla is a great long-term stock to buy in right now. I do believe that this is still a very decent price for where I believe it's going to head in the future. But don't be afraid to buy in the dips on some of these. Don't go all in at once, and also diversify your portfolio into other names. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe if you did. Comment down below what you think of stock Tesla, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.